In one of the previous videos, I have solved Grandi's series for which the result was, it was written as SG 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on, and the result was 1 by 2. So continuing further, we will use the same result for solving the sum of all natural numbers. So I'm considering another series which will be taken as S beta, and it will go as 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 and so on. So if I take 2 times of the series, meaning S beta, 2 times S beta, it can be written as 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 8 plus 10 and so on, or there are too many different methods for writing it. I am writing it as 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5, and again writing the same numbers. So after solving the series, what I will get is something like this: 2s beta equals to 1. So if I club the 2, meaning minus 2 plus 1 minus 3, plus 3 minus 2, I will get 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is the Grandi's series, and of course the result is 1 by 2, right? So basically I am getting S beta, meaning the series which I started with 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 equals to 1 by 4. Now I will use this result for solving the sum of all natural numbers, right? So S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and so on. So if I subtract S beta from this series, meaning S minus S beta will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and so on, minus S beta, and S beta was 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, the same numbers with alternate signs, right? So after writing this, when I open the brackets, I will get something like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and so on. And now the next thing with changed signs, meaning minus 1 plus 2, the signs will change of course when I open the brackets, and I will get something like this. Now if you see, the odd numbers are getting cancelled and I am left with 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 and 12 and 16. So this is something we have started with. I mean, S minus S beta is nothing but 4 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So can you identify this? This is nothing but the series we started with, meaning S. So it's actually a very controversial thing that if I'm subtracting something from the series, I'm getting 4 times bigger. So S minus S beta is 4S, and putting the value of S beta, that is 1 by 4, and solving the whole thing, I will get 3s equals to minus 1 by 4 and s is equal to minus 1 by 12. So basically what was s? S was 1 plus 2 plus 3, meaning the whole all the natural numbers, the sum of all natural numbers, and it's coming out as minus 1 by 12. So not only it's not a infinite series which we expected, but it's a negative fraction.